Is accused of revealing the identity of a key protected witness testifying against her at the Zondo Commission. And now controversial former SAA board chairperson Myeni has briefly appeared in court to account for it. Heidi Jokos has details from Johannesburg. Heidi, seemed like a very short appearance for Myeni. What exactly took place in court?
Yes, a very short appearance indeed, Tafuma. We do understand that it was not even 5 minutes, but there has been a postponement, and I think it's important to get clarity on the charges that Myeni is facing. We are joined by the National Prosecuting Authority spokesperson, Sisipindi Mjondondwana. Thank you so much, Sisipindi, for your time. Speak to us about, firstly, what some of the charges are that Myeni is facing.
Okay, she's facing a main charge of defeating and obstructing the administration of justice, with 2 alternative counts of contravention of the Commissions Act and another of contravention of the Commission's regulations.
Just speak to us about what happened in court today and why there has been a postponement. It was very brief appearance by Myeni. What can we expect moving forward as well?
Okay, indeed it was a brief appearance. Remember that it was also a first court appearance. So today we were then informed that the accused lodged representations, and therefore as the state we then requested a postponement so that we can consider her representations and apply our mind, and we are hoping that by the 4th of May we would have been done with that process so that then we can present our decision in court.
Okay, can you maybe tell us what those documents entail? What are they asking for? Something? Are they asking for the charges to be withdrawn? What exactly do those documents represent that the defence has handed over to the eNCA?
Well, it's a confidential document that cannot be shared with the public, but then the process itself of representation, it's a recourse mechanism that is available for both accused persons and complainants in criminal proceedings. So once representations are lodged, then a prosecutor gets to read them, and if the prosecutor's decision, it's actually a request to ask the prosecutor to review their decision to prosecute the accused. So once the prosecutor has gone through them and then decides then whether to stop the prosecution or prosecution should continue. So basically they still reserve the right to then take it forward should the prosecutor decide that prosecution should continue. So they may approach the office of the DPP up until the national level at the office of the National Director of Public Prosecutions.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for that update. We do appreciate it. That's Pindi from the National Prosecuting Authority. As we mentioned, very brief appearance. Myeni was indeed in court. When we asked her legal team whether or not she will be speaking, we were told she will not be speaking or engaging with the media at this stage. So we'll have to just wait and see what happens come the 4th of May as these documents have been handed over to the National Prosecuting Authority for consideration.
All right, Heidi, thank you so much for that. Heidi Jokos in Johannesburg.